welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to be building me a decking board. So we just out here getting some lumber. So I am at a lumber store out here. I am at Builders Discount Center. They have lumber, they sell lumber, and I'm super excited because I need it for the pergola. Woo-woo. Outdoor cookout, say woo-woo. Anyway, so we're out here and we're about to go inside. My husband got the truck and the trailer, so we're about to go inside and we're about to get this wood. Okay, continue watching. I'm just browsing through the store because this is my first time ever coming to this store. They have everything. If you need flooring, cabinets, doors, windows, roofing, whatever, they have absolutely everything. So while my husband and one of the workers, they are loading up the truck, I'm just gonna sit back, browse, do a little recording, and just try to stay out of the way because lifting this lumber and stuff is not for your girl. So sit back and I hope you guys really enjoy this video. I am super excited. The day is finally here where my vision of my DIY project comes to life. So basically, I had this idea of what I wanted to do to my outside. I basically drew my blueprint out, gave it to my brother. I'm like, this is what I want, this, and this. And I need you to, make that happen for me. And he did just that, which he is absolutely amazing. It's nothing that I have ever asked him to do that he was not able to come through for his sister. Yes. So with that being said, I'm going to let the cameras roll. I'm excited. You guys must watch to the end of this video because I promise you, you're going to be just as shocked as I was once the end result is done. I tell you. Enough of me talking. Just watch the video.
We're always on the edge. We fight and make love at the same time. Would you break up just because I told you what I did last night? I recall the times you said you're sorry. I'm still not sure if you told lies, but I don't care, it's all forgotten now. We're holy when we touch anyhow. me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. With the black guys. Hanging up to see if you would call me. I miss you more when you seem too far away. And you can blame it all on me as long as we can find our way. Do you remember all the times we tried to stop this? Yeah, we end up the same every time. Cause when our bodies beat, there's nothing left to fight about. We're holy when we touch anyhow. Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. Somewhere in between our secrets, there's an imminent storm. It's unavoidable, yeah. But as long as I feel that you see me, I will pay no mind at all. So give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black guys. We are sweet on our secrets. Telling black guys to keep them. Throw your things away tonight. We'll go a different way, you and me. Tell your friends that this might take some time and you'll be back another day. I can see us breaking down the barrier. Oh yeah. With the speed of light we cross the stratosphere. Oh yeah. We can go so far away. Baby, let's go far, so far, you and me. Let's dance the night away. We're locked together, far away, you and me. We'll have a celebration to an unknown destination. Can't you see? Throw your things away tonight. We'll go a different way, you and me. Tell your friends that this might take some time and you'll be back another day. I can see us breaking down the barrier. Oh yeah. With the speed of light we cross the stratosphere.
So let me tell you guys something. I have seen many of tools, but I have yet seen a tool, a device that works like this. This camera tool is absolutely amazing, you guys. I'm gonna tell you, amazing. Like, I never seen anything like it. It puts the nails in the board at like a angle, 35-degree angle. I don't know. I don't really know what I'm saying, but I know that this is amazing. That way, like, you never see any nails in a decking board. You don't have to worry about walking across the decking board and you seeing the top of a nail. This tool is absolutely amazing. When I say my brother, he have like some of everything. Like, I never seen of ever heard of this thing before, but it's awesome. Watch and see. My deck is finished. I'm super excited. And I do apologize because it had got late and I couldn't get the end result, and then after that it rained, and I wanted a picture of, I wanted to get a recording of it before I put the furniture there, which I'm gonna show you guys in a minute. But I want to show you guys this deck, honey. You see these deck, like that camo tool that they use is absolutely amazing. Like, the nails is in the side, like you don't see no nails in the wood at all. Like, the nails, they are all, let's zoom in. The nails are right here on the side, like right there, like absolutely amazing, beautiful. So I'm gonna give you guys a view of the thing as a whole. So this is my deck and my pergola. I got my little tropical flowers on the side. Got the little tropical thing going on with the rug here. My Wickelman patio furniture set. Look at this. Absolutely beautiful. Look at this deck, honey. I love it. My fire pit over there, which we have already done used it. I could not wait until this video gets started before I not use it. So we have already used the fire pit. That's why you see the white ashes in there. I'm like super late on this video, you guys, but this is a must-see video. So I just got some throw pillows on that side as well. My glass table. I even hung lights up in the pergola. Ooh, fancy, fancy. And it's like really nice out here. Like, really nice. Peaceful. It's calm. Look at that. Beautiful. So when you close the curtains, it looks like this on the side. There's no curtains in the front and the back, which we don't want curtains in the back because of the fire pit. But it gives you shade for one, and it gives you total privacy because I have neighbors on both sides. So it gives you shade and privacy. And with the fire pit back there, you definitely don't want, you know, curtains closed off from the fire pit. but it's amazing out here. I sit out here, I read, I listen to music, I do s'mores with my kids. It's absolutely amazing. And the light at night, oh my God, it's like just enough light. It's absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of my deck, my DIY, outdoor DIY project. I love you guys. Like, comment, share, and subscribe this video. And once again, I want to give a big shout out to my brother, because he is an amazing brother. I love him. So thank you, Dewan, for this awesome setup out here, and my husband. And to the next time, and to the next video, enjoy the little things. Thanks for watching. Bye.